Hi, good morning sa inyo. Welcome to another video of mine. I'm Paul from Uno Premier Hong Kong. And today I'd like to discuss about the topic na ano ba yung concept or business concept ni Uno. So this will be your training ground in basic na kailangan nyo maintindihan para time to time naintindihan mo yung konsepto. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, this is not about gaano ka katalino, gaano ka kayaman, but it's about gaano ka kailangan mong opportunity na to. Ang kailangan ko lang sa iyo, common sense. Pangalawa, kailangan ko rin wala kang pera para maging opportunity talaga sa inyo to. So, listen for the next few minutes on this concept, the business concept of Uno, para maintindihan mo how to build your business and the network itself. Okay? So, let's begin. Let's start with first, it will be a step-by-step concept. Okay, number one, you have to follow a system. Okay. You have to follow a system. The system itself, okay, so usog ko na ng konti para makita nyo. Alright, so the system itself, okay, will be separated into two, wherein i-elaborate ko lang sa inyo between yung kung empleyado ka, that's a system for earnings, or negosyante ka. So dalawang sistema na paano kang kumikita ngayon. Isang empleyado, isang businessman. Ngayon, meron tayong pinasok ngayon dito sa Uno, dito papasok yan. Okay? Negosyo. Okay? Kaya hindi mo pwede paghalo yan. Ngayon, sa sistema ni Uno is a proven 10-year system for a business entrepreneurship. So, hindi yan po pwede na gagamitin mo ang employee system to manifest or to imply na maging negosyo. Okay? So, kailangan nyo maintindihan, i-separate nyo. Very, very simple idea na ipapasok natin doon kasi pagka sa employee system, you will always be having na commands na okay, ito gawin mo, ito lang pwede mo gawin, ito hindi mo pwede gawin, and wala kang ideas. Hindi ka magka-create ng ideas mo, hindi ka magka-create ng mga self-building process doon sa loob mo. Now, we start with first with the business of Uno, following the system. Kailangan ka, ngayon din, meron kang sarili mong libro na tinatawag na 101. Ito yung mga tools natin. Ano yung kailangan na tools? Number one, may networking 101 ka. Na book. Okay? And then two, kailangan may clear book ka. Eh kung wala, you can use a PowerPoint. Okay? May PowerPoint ka. This is a presentation wise. Third, dagdagan mo, may product catalog ka. Ito yung sinasabi mong before and after na pictures, meron naman tayo binibenta sa counter, or you can print it all yourself. Okay? Para may lagay mo ngayon doon sa clear book mo, or mismo sa PowerPoint ng laptop mo, tablet mo, to present it wise. These are tools that you need to know and how to present. Okay? So, yung networking 101, this is a book. So, pwede nyo bilhin sa counter. Okay? So, on the first page, let's try to memorize everything. There will be a leader's incantation. Okay? Ang sabi niya, I am a leader. So, ibig sabihin, you have to have characteristic here. I am a leader. So, because ang business ni Uno ay tao. Kung business ni Uno ay tao, you have to mandate na maging leader ka ng isang grupo. So, dahil business nga ni Uno ay tao. Okay? So, kailangan mo maintindihan yun. So, sabi niya, second, I am a leader. Then, second, sabi niya, I'll believe and not doubt. So, kailangan maniwala ka sa sistema ni Uno. So, you have to believe and not doubt para dumating yung point, yung mga tao mo naniniwala din sa'yo. Kasi you are building a network of people. That's why you have to let them feel how you feel. Okay? And then ang susunod? Ano yung susunod?
I will build and create.
I'll
I will build and create.
And create. Okay? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, dito magkakaroon ng pagtatalo dito na hindi yan papasok kasi employee and then a businessman. So you have to let them know na hindi yan po pwede kasi nga sabihin ng employee, you never build and create kasi nga hindi ka binigyan ng opportunity na gano'n. But for the business itself, you have to do that. You have to do that para maintindihan mo paano. Kasi ikaw lang mag-isa eh. And beauty of that, sa business sa labas, ikaw lang mag-isa pero dito sa uno, hindi ka mag-iisa. Okay? You have a team. Okay? You have the team. This team will be building and create and help you to really familiarize with the system. Magtutulungan tayo. You have a team. Okay? And if in case you are all by yourself, don't worry. Okay? Follow the system lang. You will soon magkakaroon kayo ng sarili mong team. Started with the two. Okay? So, next. Ano sabi niya? Ano sabi?
I will learn and teach.
Learn and teach. That's why we keep on learning. Okay? Learn and teach. Para dumating yung panahon, yung system ni Uno, once na natuto, and then they will be teaching. Okay? You have to teach. And people will teach other people down below the line. That's why sinasabi palagi natin sa Uno is, we building people, building business. Doon pa lang, naintindihan mo na siya na you are not alone. Second, you are building people relationship, people knowledge, people how to create another people or another bunch of people. Okay? So, and ano yung susunod?
I will lead by example.
Lead by example. So, importante guys meron kang libro na 101. I'm talking to you right now. I assume that everybody watching is meron ng libro na 101. Okay? So, I will lead by example. So, you will be the leader of the pack. They will be looking at you. So, that's why, dito sa Uno, yes upline was implemented. Kasi nga, dito is a people business. And the people will follow you if in case you are organized. That's why it has to be, ikaw, if you are a leader, you want to be a leader, you have to be a good follower. Doon mo lang mag-umpisa. So pagka maging good follower ka, lahat sila ay magiging good follower din eh. Because you lead by example. Okay? So they will be looking at you. Kung ikaw ay nag-yes upline, sila ay mag-yes upline din. Lahat ay mag-yes upline. And this will be automatically organized and people will follow you. Okay? So ano yung susunod?
I am a force for good.
A force for good. Okay? A force for good. You have to always believe and be good to people because you have to have faith sa ginagawa mo. Kasi hindi lahat ng pagkakataon ay possible, may gusto ka ng tao. Hindi lahat ng pagkakataon dito sa group ng tao mo, paano kung umabot ka na ng 10,000 people? Hindi lahat ng tao below the line ay gusto ka. So, what do? Simple lang. Memorize why you are believer. These are the characteristic of being a leader. You are a force for good. So what? Why mo sa akin? I'm still doing good for you. I'm still do good for all the rejections, lahat na natanggap ko. I'm still good sa lahat ng mga taong nag-reject sa akin, nag-insulto sa akin, mayo sa akin, hindi sumama sa akin. So what? Di bale? Hindi bale. Di ba? Sabi nga, pag na-reject ka, OBSW3. Some will join. Some will not. So what? Next, someone else is waiting. Write this down. Okay? Once na na-reject ka dito sa business, congrats. Bisbin, ginagawa mo na itong business to. Once na hindi ka na siniputan mga invite mo, congrats. Kasi inimpisahan mo na ang pag-invite. Hindi lahat sasama. Okay lang, maniwala ka sa hindi. Sa 10, may 2 sasama sa'yo. At yung dalawa mo, ganun din sa kanila. But you have to learn. You have to understand that you are into business, not into people. Yes, I know, it's a people business. Pero, these are your business. So, intindihin nyo. Pag nakita nyo yung business to, parang ganito. Meron kang isang shop. Pumasok yung tao. Tinignan lang yung mga benta mo. And then lumabas ulit. Iiyak ka ba? Nasabi mo, hindi ka bumili. Nawakan mo yung mga gamit ko, hindi ka bumili. Hindi ka iiyak, di ba? Nakakatawa kung umiyak yung may-ari, diba? So, ganun din dapat sa negosyo mo. So, what mo ayaw niya? Ganun din naman yung mangyayari pumasok sa shop eh. Ayaw niya, so what? Tama? So, gagawin mo, simple lang. Bilang negosyo, nakita mo, sabi mo doon sa pumasok at umalis, sabi mo, thank you for coming. Tama? So, you will be the same way like you are doing right now. Okay? Kung ayaw niya, thank you for coming, thank you for your time. And at least I have a friend. And sooner or later, I'll be having more friends. Okay? Because you don't stop. Because you do every single day, you do have the business itself. Bakit? Kasi this is a copy business. This is a copy business. The system also implies this is a copy business. You have to copy all the businesses that your upline do. Okay? Copy business lang. Napakadali. Third, you have to do the basic. What are the basic? You have to invite. These are the basic. That's why yung uplines mo, bibigyan ka ng invite report. This upline, yung invite report mo, you have to fill in all the invites. Na makilala mo, hindi mo kilala. Again, it's a business. You have to put all the names, the contacts, even Facebook accounts. These are, again, business. Numbers game. Kailangan mas marami kang numbers, the more business you have. You have to think like a businessman. Never think like an employee. Because employee, hindi yan sanay ma-reject. Kadalasan hindi na-reject. Hindi na-reject. Ano yung example, yung perfect example? Nung nag-file ka ng annual leave bilang empleyado, hindi ka pinayagan. Di ba galit ka? Kasi hindi ka nga sanay sa rejection. Pero, sa mga businessman, this is an everyday process na nare-reject siya. Pero, they don't cry about it. Pero maniwala kasi hindi, sino ba yung pinakamayaman dito? Ang businessman. Because they have the mindset. Okay, that's why you have to think like a businessman. Okay, next. Dito, you have to invite and do the business presentation. So that's why kailangan mo ng clear book or meron kang sarili mong tablet or meron kang sarili mong computer, laptop. Now, it's up to you. It's up to you. Okay, hindi ko yung require mo bumili ng laptop, hindi ko require bumili ng tablet, pero kung may clear book ka, bumili ka lang dito, is a basic tool. Okay? Kailangan may isa ka sa tatlo sa sinabi ko. So, that's why this is a basic. Nag-invite ka, nagbi-business presentation ka para umanda rin business mo. Okay? So, next, kailangan mong matuto. Learn. So, you can teach in the future. So, that's why we have these kind of trainings. Okay? And then, once na dumating ang special trainings, nandoon ka, unang-una ka. Bakit? Simple lang. Parang ganito. Nakakita kayo ng Lego. Diba? Lego. So, yung Lego, pinatong-patong mo lang. Hindi mo binaon. Hindi mo pinakpok. Pinatong-patong mo lang siya gano'n. Tapos hinipan mo. Matutumba hindi. Di ba matutumba? So, ang point doon, ang grupo mo, pag walang special training, hindi na babaon yan. So, kailangan mo para bumaon, simple lang. Special training, learn and teach, and unti-unti, nagbaband kayo, naiintindihan yung negosyo, nagkakaroon teamwork. So, pag special training kayo, lalo ni mga leaders ng Grand Uplines yun, ganito lang nangyayari sa kanila. Nung nag-special training, nagkaroon ng nabaon, napokpok, at dumiin, at bumuo ng isang napakatindi na grupo. Ito yung solid na grupo. So that's why it's very, very crucial to understand the basic. Kailangan meron ka palagi. These are bread and butters. Okay? Invite, business presentation, learn and teach, and then special training. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy yan. And then, okay, you have to trust the process. You have to trust the process. Bakit? Simple lang. Kasi hindi mo pa nakikita yayaman ka. Hindi mo pa nakikita na magkakakotse ka. Hindi mo pa nakikita magkaka-1 million ka. Hindi mo pa nakikita na magkakaroon ng malaking bahay. Hindi mo pa nakikita lahat yan. But you have to believe. That's why you have to believe and not doubt. Ano yung tawag doon? Faith. This is trusting the process. It's called faith. The faith, you have to have faith in what you do. Because ang kulang lang dito ay maniwala ka sa sarili mo, darating ka doon. Okay? So, marami ang hihad lang sa'yo. Marami ang pipigil sa'yo. Bakit? Simple lang. Simple lang. It cannot be you kasi hindi nangyari sa kanila. Pakinggan nyo mabuti. Ang opinion palagi ng ibang tao, it cannot happen to you because hindi nga nangyari sa kanila. Na naman yumaman sila, na naging successful sila. So, lahat ng tatanungan mo, unless ang tatanungan mo ay successful na, hindi niya sasagot sa'yo na magiging successful ka rin. Okay? So, you have to have faith on yourself because this is you. Ito na yan. Ikaw na nga yan eh. Okay? So, next, duplication process. Ibig sabihin, once na natuloy-tuloy mo yung system, once na naiintindihan mo yung system, follow the system. Number 1, yung system ni Uno lang ha. Remember, Uno system yan. Follow the system, then kopyahin mo lang ginagawa ng lahat ng mga uplines mo. Okay? Yes, upline ka lang. And then do the basic every single day. Every single day talaga, every day. And then you be invite, you be business presentation, you learn and teach, and then you have special trainings every single month. And then, trust the process, and duplication come. Magkakaroon yan, matuturuan to. Magkakaroon yan, matuturuan to. Magkakaroon yan, matuturuan to. And then lastly, you will be having, this is the perfect part. Okay? Remember, this is the perfect part. Everybody wants to have this. A money making machine. Tama? A money making machine. Bakit? Once na dumating to, marunong siya, nagtuturo na to. Eto, marunong na siya, nagtuturo na to. Marunong siya, nagtuturo na to. The system will work for you na. Once na you have people down below the line who are doing the system, paulit-ulit, 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 you will be having duplication process. You will be having your money-making machine. Tama? Once na may tao dito, boom, may kita ka na naman. May tao dito, boom, may kita ka na naman. Ang tanong, kilala mo ba yung tao? Hindi, di ba? Ang pinakamaganda nun, ang sistema na nag-work sa'yo. Ang sistema mo ang nag-work sa'yo. Ang tao na mapagod, pero ang sistema hindi mapagod. Kaya nga ganun ka-perfect si Uno. Kaya ganun kaganda yung nangyayari kay Uno. Kaya tuloy-tuloy yung mga progress sa mga yumayaman dito sa Uno. Simple lang. Follow the system. Alright? So again, remember 3 things. You have to have right tools, attend trainings, listen to my trainings as well. Come, do what you do the best dito sa system na to. Don't be afraid. Okay? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid of doing this, but afraid not to try. Bakit? Kasi lahat na nag-try dito, naging successful. Alright? So with that, maraming salamat po. Have a nice day. This is Paul Chung again. See you next time.